Finite element analysis, FEA, is a numerical method used to solve complex engineering problems by dividing them into smaller, more manageable elements. Here is a step-by-step procedure for performing FEA. Problem definition. Define the problem to be solved and establish the objectives of the analysis. This includes determining the boundary conditions and identifying any constraints. Geometry creation. Create a 3D model of the geometry using a CAD software or other modeling software. The model should be accurate and represent the actual geometry to be analyzed. Mesh generation. Divide the geometry into smaller, finite elements using meshing software. This process involves defining the element types, sizes, and shapes based on the geometry and the problem being analyzed. Material properties. Define the material properties, such as density, elasticity, and thermal conductivity, that are relevant to the analysis. Element properties. Assign properties to the finite elements, such as element type, thickness, and orientation. Load application. Apply the loads and boundary conditions to the model. This involves specifying the forces, pressures, temperatures, and other inputs that act on the model. Solve the system of equations. Use numerical methods to solve the system of equations generated from the finite element model. This involves using matrix operations to solve the equations and obtain the displacement, stress, and strain values. Results visualization. Analyze and visualize the results of the analysis. This includes viewing stress and strain distributions, deformation patterns, and other relevant outputs. Verification and validation. Verify the accuracy of the results by comparing them with analytical or experimental data and validate the analysis method for future use. Optimization. Use the results of the analysis to improve the design and optimize the performance of the system.